Hi, my name's Mallory. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm back. I haven't picked up the camera to vlog in about a week, which is very unlike me, but there was good reason. I just can't get into it. But hi, I missed you so much. I'm so happy to be vlogging this weekend. It is actually only Wednesday right now, but I figured I'd go ahead and start it. My sister graduates high school tomorrow, so I'm so excited to bring you along and record this memory for us to look back on in years. And then it is also Memorial Day weekend, so I get a 3-day weekend. Friday, I'm not doing much. Saturday, the other graduations. Sunday, my sister's party. Monday, not entirely sure. Let's check the weather. Yeah. Actually, Monday now it says partially cloudy and 78. Maybe, just maybe, I'll get to lay out by the pool on Memorial Day. That would be so exciting. But yes, welcome back to my channel. Again, my name is Mallory and I am a lifestyle vlogger. Subscribe down below if you're not already. And let's get into this video. It is 6:23. I did Pilates, came home, showered, just ate dinner, and I'm about to plop on the couch. I haven't had a relaxing, chill night in a very long time. So I'm gonna watch YouTube. Yeah, and I'm probably gonna upload some shorts on YouTube, just like a mindless thing while watching some YouTube. So let's do it. I sat down and my TV's like acting weird and I think my remote's dead, so I'm charging that. I thought about this question when I was trying to figure out what was wrong. Are you a bed person or a couch person? I am a couch person. I cannot lay in my bed if it's not bedtime, so that's why it's imperative that I get this working so I can watch TV. But my sister, like, she loves to lay in her bed, and that's just crazy to me. But I'm gonna try to get this to work because I want to watch TV. Got a package, so let's unbox this before we hit the hay. Where is this from? Old Navy was having a sale, so I grabbed this little tennis dress. Everything, it was only like $22, so great find if it fits. This is it. Thought it would be so good for this weekend, and I'm gonna go to bed. So good night, and yeah. All right, good morning. It is 6:33. And here is my cutie little outfit for work today. I love this little dress and I have on some goldens. I head to work and I also got this new Lulu purse that holds literally everything. It has so much crap down in here that you are also gonna be put in here. Glow up. Hi. Hi, major glow up since the last time you saw me. I got off of work, went home. I had to rush and get ready so fast. That's why I didn't have time to really film anything. And I am on my way to my parents' house for graduation for my sister. Yay! I'm wearing a dress that I wore to a literal wedding last year, so I might be severely overdressed. Especially because it might rain and it's an outdoor graduation. That's okay, I'd rather overdress than underdress. So I look like a little egg. I should have put the lashes on, but I don't want to wear a lash in the rain. And I packed all of my stuff so fast because I work from home tomorrow on Fridays, and I have a feeling I'm not gonna want to drive home tonight if we're there super late because okay, go ahead. Don't worry. I wasn't, because they said we're waiting out the rain, so we could be there at 10 p.m. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna try to get a cute reel in this dress. We'll see if I can get one. And these people are staring at me. So that's what we're doing. I cannot wait to see my puppies. That's probably so annoying, the clicking. Ah! Oh my god, I'm a mess. Okay, gonna go now. Rain delay, and we're on metal bleachers. I look like a little egg. Let's show you what it looks like. Every time
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to delay for 30 minutes.
Anyways, I was told to seek shelter. Here's sorry. Got really bad lightning. Okay, we gotta get off these bleachers. I found our grad.
We're never graduating. any of us. I don't know where everyone is.
It's a long weekend. I just got off work and I'm on this cute little dress from Old Navy that I got for $20 on sale, so great find. And then I'm wearing some Lululemon, can you see them? Little sneakers, and I'm gonna go run some errands for my mom. But yeah, happy 3-day weekend. Hey, I suck. I'm so sorry, vloggy. I worked today and then literally didn't stop helping set up for my sister's party, blowing up balloons. What else did I do? Oh, drove all the way back to Lexington to go pick up my birth control. Got more dresses. I didn't have time to try them on, so they're literally just like, I just grabbed a bunch. And then came back here, been hanging out with my dad, and now I'm going to bed. I have to get up so early in the morning for my cousin's graduation. And I found these cute Jamies at my parents' house, so I'm definitely bringing them home with me. They're mine. They're just like in my dresser at home. But yeah, I'm gonna stick you in my purse so I don't forget you. I've got everything laid out for tomorrow, and I'm ready to go. So good night. I'll see you bright and early or sometime in the morning. Don't kill me. It's been a couple days. It's Tuesday. I honestly don't really remember the last thing I vlogged. Thursday, graduation. Friday, I did a lot of cleaning for my mom. Saturday, I was at my mom's hometown all day for my cousin's graduation, and then Sunday worked to finish cleaning and setting up the house for my sister's party. That was Sunday night. Monday was Memorial Day. Laid by the pool, hung out with my family, and now it's Tuesday. I'm at dance. I'm about to teach, but I wanted to come on and say hi first of all, and sorry I haven't vlogged in a couple days, but picked up the camera just now to continue vlogging. I haven't been off of my vlogging game. I was so on my vlogging game. Now I'm off. So I'm gonna try to get back on. I picked up Firehouse subs for dinner. I love their subs. And I'm gonna go teach. And I get done an hour early tonight, which is so exciting. Go home and get ready for bed. So I will see you tonight. I promise I won't forget about you again. Hello, it is 8:08 p.m. I just got home and washed my hands, and now I'm starting to do all of my nightly routine. I'd like to be in bed by like 9 or 9:15, and I'm going to try to get all this stuff done. So let's see, what do I have to do? Okay, that is going in the trash. Pack my lunch, pack my workout clothes for tomorrow. I have a lot of laundry that I need to put away. Shower, get ready for bed, all the things. I have meal prep, so it should be very easy to get all this stuff done. Tomorrow, I don't even know if you can hear me, but tomorrow I'm packing oats, string cheese, a Poppy, and a protein bar, and that is ready for tomorrow. Let's go to my room to get my stuff ready for tomorrow. I don't know why I'm in such a mood to dress lazy. I have been dressing cute so much, and then recently I'm like, I just want to wear something easy and comfy, and that is what I have been wanting, so I can't really help it. I had this packed, but I ended up just keeping on this little dress today. I need to put my laundry away so I know what I have clean, so let me go get that. Here's what I gotta put away. It's mainly underwear, socks, and my workout clothes that I wear the most often. I was literally out of socks and underwear, so I was like, I need to throw in a load. So let's put this away. Showered and ready for bed. I have put my clothes away, packed. I think I've done everything I need to, and it's only 8:42, so I'm really excited. I did not sleep well last night at all, so I am excited to lay in bed, watch some YouTube, and just chill until I go to sleep. check this morning. Love this little fit. Jeans are American Eagle. Top is TJ Maxx and Amazon Burke dupes. And then I'm bringing some tennis shoes so I can walk on my treadmill at work. We did a slick back today and it looks really good. So yay, happy Wednesday. Hi, it is 3:20 p.m. Just got off work. I'm going home, surprisingly. I late canceled my Pilates class simply because I am exhausted. I have not been sleeping well. I have not been home in what feels like forever. And that's like all I want to do, go home, maybe go on a walk. I would love to make some TikToks, upload on Instagram. And yeah, really just cook dinner, lay on the couch, watch some TV. That sounds like the perfect evening. And here's the thing, okay? My Pilates class when I first started was at 4. So it was a good amount of time. I had like 15 minutes to get there, change, and then the doors opened 10 minutes before. Worked out perfect. Now it's at 4:30, okay? That's a big difference. If I were to go to my class, I would have an hour and 10 minutes to kill and then have to sit in rush hour traffic. So that is just, no, that does not sound fun. So I was like, I'm just gonna cancel, bite the bullet, and prioritize me. Still gonna work out, go on a walk. I did walk on my walking pad at work today too. I'm gonna do something good for myself. I just would like to do it at home. So I'm so tired. I need to also go through everything I've ordered for my cruise and like maybe make a presentation thing, like lining up what all I've gotten, because I feel like I need to order a couple more things, but I want to see what colors I have. Like I know I have an orange dress, a blue and white dress. I have a pink dress. I just want packing to be so easy because here's the thing. I go on my cruise in 2.5 weeks. I don't have a free day between now and then to get my hair done. I was looking because I would like to just get my front pieces touched up and toned. Okay, my birthday is the 12th, June 12th. So I was going to maybe do it like right before my birthday and then we go on the cruise the next week. But I have to wait and do it after my birthday because I don't have a free day. Like, that is sad. What all am I doing? A lot. I'm going to DC next week. It's a whole thing. So, okay, I'm gonna stop blabbing. I'm gonna go home and we'll see where we want to start. Yeah, okay. Vloggy, I have to show you my dinner. I made the other night teriyaki chicken and I have it with white rice, avocado, and some hard-boiled eggs. And it is so fire. Hold on. I just walked and showered, so now I'm gonna sit on the couch and watch lots of TV. Hi, I thought I would just edit this video while I'm sitting here. And it is all over the place, that is for sure. So thank you for sticking in here if you're still watching. But I think I am gonna end off this video again. I'm so sorry for putting my camera down for like days at a time. I really just think it was best for me. I think my problem, so I go on tangents when I say I'm done filming, but I think my problem is that I just do the same thing every day when I'm home. So I love to travel and vlog when I travel. So that's starting back up. I head to DC next week, and then the week after that is my birthday, and then the week after that I'll be on a massive family vacation on a cruise. So hold tight, the awesome fun travel content is coming back, and then we're gonna blink and it's gonna be like July 4th, and then yeah. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in my next vlog. Bye.